good morning. So ngayon nandito na tayo sa bus. It's now 5:40 pero nandito pa rin kami.
Take a small lady's handbag. Ladies' purse is allowed, makeup allowed, medicine allowed. Now, the thing which is not allowed, no food. Any edible thing is strictly not allowed. No gum, no candy. They open your bag and they check your bag. If they find anything to eat, they ask you to throw that. So please make sure no food allowed. Don't take any food with you. No pen, no paper, no book. No phone charger, no tripod. Now we go to Taj Mahal, and Taj Mahal little far from where he will drop us, and so from here we take an electric car, and electric car will drop us near Taj Mahal gate.
Hindi masyadong makita pero nandito tayo sa Taj Mahal Metro Station. So super lapit lang nitong location na to sa hotel namin. And I think may sasakyan pa kami bago kami makarating dun sa actual na location. So medyo malamig ngayon, guys. Okay guys, so we need to ride back. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, sir.
So malamig ngayon, guys.
Ito na lang ako.
Hello mga kakain, so ano ngayon dito? Pero if malabo pa.
Huwag ka ng ano.
No, don't be nega. Huwag nega.
Parang pero ako kasi hindi ko na nasa isip ko pero hindi ko na sinasabi.
Hey guys, welcome to Taj Mahal Westgate entry. So this is the line for foreigners. And it's now 6:05 a.m. Super dark pa. So guys, so we have our tickets already. And wala, closed pa. So hindi pa tayo makapasok. So medyo may smog kasi kaya hindi clear yung weather. So ganito karami na yung tao guys as of 6:05. We have here our free water and then meron din churros.
Diyan kinulong yung father.
Gate pa lang yan, guys.
Guys, may smog.
Pa lang to na Taj Mahal.
Medyo madilim. Pero ayan na yung parang gate niya.
That became 11 plus 11, 22 tower. They took 22 years to build the Taj Mahal. So the main gate of Taj Mahal, and there's a small tower on top. 22 towers, 22 years. Now we go there, we take gate picture, then we go inside. Please come.
So that's the main gate guys. Hindi lang natin masyadong kasi we're afar. But yeah. Ang lamig! Baguio feels. Dyan. Ito na yung main gate guys.
Come there,
Guys, this is the main gate.
professional photographer. This is what they do for living. So I will request, I will ask them after inside it.
Parang 100 for me. Dude, picture niyo.
Guys, this is the gate. Guys, ito na yung main gate ng Taj Mahal. So, papasok na tayo guys. Let's go! Let's go! Guys, hindi masyadong tanaw pa kasi may smog and maaga pa kasi. Pero, ayan. So, muna tayo sa
Ang ganda niya doon.
guys. Yeah, wala tayong masyadong makita kasi
Ayun, kita na konti.
of smog. And it's now 6:40 a.m. So this is the entry into the garden.
Sabi mo guys, sobrang ganda guys.
Wala, naiyak-iyak ka?
Medyo emotional ako ha. Ay, iyak-iyak ako kunyari. Guys, ang ganda.
Yung isa namin kasama, nasira pa yung chinelas.
Tapos ayan oh, bago na yung shoes niya. Bossing!
Bossing!
Last money, bossing! Brother!
Ganda.
Yes, Doc Mike. Picture lang kita.
Go, Doc!
Ang ganda.
Nasaan na ba si Sir?
Pagi pa.
Wala, mamaya mga after an hour daw. Magiging clear na yan. Lord, please. There, oh. Actually, guys, so this is the Taj Mahal already. So it's now 6:45 a.m. So medyo foggy pa. So other side daw may river, which is the Yamuna River. So sana mag-clear na siya later, guys. Kasi sayang naman. Guys, it's so nice. Ayan. Okay guys, so we will go inside na. And ganito karami nakapila ngayon. And it's 7:30 a.m. Guys, unti-unti na siya nagpapakita. Ayan. So far. And then eto yung baba. Ayan. There. May fog pa rin, smog. So, you can't barely see the beauty of Taj Mahal. But hopefully, later, magpakita na siya sa atin. There siya, oh. Super big, guys. Like, super big. Na tayo sa taas, so nakita na natin yung tomb. So again, ito ay binilt ng king para sa wife niya kasi nga namatay, and yeah, dinedicate niya to, and gusto niya super duper ganda nito para kapag may mga bumisita is ma-amaze sila or matuwa sila. So medyo ayan, smog pa rin, and hindi namin alam kung magpapakita pa rin yung araw, and kailangan namin umalis in I think 30 to 1 hour. So, kasi after this, mag-check out pa kami, and then meron pa rin kaming i-held na tour. So, pero kahit pa paano nakikita-kita na rin naman siya. So, yan. Guys, we're done!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Taj Mahal.
Ayan.
Mahal ka namin, Taj Mahal.
Kahit na ayaw mo masyado
Happy
magpakita.
birthday, dude!
Yes, happy birthday! Hey! Hey! Guys, may smog pa rin. Ayan.
Wait lang.
Guys, eto naman yung view from afar. Yeah, usually may fountain yan, pero off. So there! Wala guys, super foggy talaga. Wala tayong magagawa. Actually guys, ganito magpa-picture dito. Ano yan, expectation versus reality. So yung mga photographer, nag-aaway-aaway yan kung sino mauna sa mga grupo nila. And that's 100 rupees per picture. Minimum ng 10 pictures. So 1,000 rupees.
Walang pilian, guys.
So mga ano yun, 700 or
Kung lima,
650 ganyan.
kung lima ang pangit, so kung lima ang pangit, kunin mo rin yun. So, my God.
Wala kang choice.
Wala kang choice. So, my God, yung akin lima pangit. So, kukunin ko ba guys, yung lima? Bali 10? Siyempre, hindi tayo papayag pa.
Bilang Pilipino, tayo ay practical.
500 lang dapat babayaran namin. Kasi lima lang yung gusto namin.
Pasensya na ganito ko.
Tapos,
Diba?
ginawa nila 50. Pangit
Guys,
naman.
pasensya na ang arte-arte kasi hindi masyadong kita si Taj Mahal. Pero okay lang, wala tayong choice. May limit lang yung pag-visit natin. Finally, guys! Dati nakikita lang natin to sa pag nag-Google search, di ba? Sa mga libro and all that. But finally, so narating na rin natin ang isa sa mga 7 wonders of the world, and this is Taj Mahal here in Agra, India. Hey guys, we're done na here for our tour. And super ganda guys. If you have chance, don't miss visiting this place. Sobrang amazing. Kaso kahit yun nga lang sobrang foggy pero worth it pa rin. Wala tayong choice. Basta in our memory maganda tong Taj Mahal. Bye Taj Mahal.
From Korea!
Ayan, dito na siya ngayon malinaw. Uwian na.
Sabi 10. Sabi mo kay Pam. Sabi mo kay Pam. Okay.
Okay. We're late na for breakfast, guys.
Goodbye, Taj Mahal.
Nila mahal yun.
Ayan, nagdiliwanag na kung kailang paalis na po kami.
Hello po, kagagaling lang namin sa Taj Mahal. Happy New Year!
So, tanong mo, ano nag-experience? Kasha ko kasi kunyari akin.
Sir.
Ay,
Sir. Have you been to Taj Mahal?
yes.
Yes. So how was the experience?
Ganda niya. Kaso ngayon, ang negative ko lang is hindi sa amin umayon ng panahon kasi hindi siya masyadong nagpakita. I mean, medyo foggy siya. So, hindi natin nakita yung sobrang kitang-kita yung Taj Mahal na mas maganda pa. I mean, maganda na siya ngayon pero mas maganda sana if clear na clear.
Pero personally, I demand a refund. Kasi I demand a refund because of the weather. Like, di ba? Do you agree? Or do you disagree?
Sa akin, not refund. I mean, talagang nasaktuhan talaga tayo dun sa weather na ganyan. So, kailangan natin tanggapin.
Hindi ko siya tinatanggap.
Hello!
Meron pa ba?
Medyo patali po.
Ayan doon. Tara.
Malapit na kami sa Kaya 7 hours na. So, 7 hours from India to Germany. 7
Kabayan, kabayan!
Hi, kabayan! Dating ko alas 8.
Ito kabayan mo.
Kabayan! Oh, smile naman si Kuya. In fairness.
Kabayan!
Oh, guys, super lamig yung weather. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano siya, kung how many degree. Ay, wala na ba? Ba yan? Okay, so guys, ito yung Taj Mahal Metro Station. Ito naman yung Taj Mahal Gate. And then, ayan, super ingay nilang busina dito guys. Like pampagising talaga. Breakfast na tayo. It's now 10 a.m. Guys, so ito lang yung breakfast namin. Wala naman yung choice. Mahaba yung biyahe namin. Okay guys, so ngayon we are here in Agra Fort. Sobrang daming tao guys.
Nice!
Ikaw din! Ay, hindi pala pwede sa'yo.
Ano style yan?
Hindi din ako style. Style. Style kaya namin.
Ang ganda nga eh. Ayan nga. Si Malupiton. Malupiton, kaya mo to.
Kaya mo to. Sabi, ang bakit.
Mukhang buntis.
Ay, nako. Wow, paakyat siya guys. Medyo nakakahingal ng konti kasi magto-12 noon. So medyo mainit. Pero parang medyo foggy pa rin.
Originally, this bathtub inside is the bathroom. Now the bathroom is closed, so the government put the tub here. So tourists can take picture and see this is beautiful tub made out with one single piece of stone. So King Jahangir bathtub.
Bathtub pa lang yan.
Money.
Hi, bebe!
This is the nice carving you will see on the wall. Beautiful geometrical design and floral design. Worker carving carved on the wall. So nice carving, beautiful bird you will see inside of this room.
Nakikita niyo yan. May mga butas yan. So, dyan sa likod na yan, may waterfalls.
Okay.
Ngayon, nagiging cooling system nila yon. Yung waterfalls, iyaan nila din, lalabas din yung lamig. Sa summertime. Yeah. So, tingnan mo, silipin mo.
Silipin mo.
So, if you can see dyan, bababa dyan, then pupunta doon, then may balloon doon. So, that's a rainwater collector.
Ah, okay. And then we have to go inside na. mountain na, may fog pa rin. So, kaya mahirap makita yung Taj Mahal today.
It's not rich to grow grapes, so they bring the soil from Kashmir mountain and they grow grapes in the garden. All these are the ladies' servant room. So these are the ladies' servant room. Ladies pull the wheel by hand manually. There's a whole name and here king not allowed to come out from here. So King Shah Jahan jail, his son locked him here, he died here. 8 years he was locked here. 56 when he was 76-year-old. When he died here, he had 2 daughters. The oldest daughter, she took father body and she made... This is how he spent his time. 8 years he was locked here and he died there. Now for the security, no enemies can attack the fort. The fort is surrounded by 2 moats. Outside moat filled with water. They have crocodiles and alligator in the watery moat. There was that time. Then the small wall cannon, guns, bows, arrows, soldiers here.
Last na lang ba? Last na lang daw. Anong oras na ba? 12:30.
Check.
Oo, naka-white pants siya, no?
Parang ano?
Parang manager ng golf. Natigaan na pa, wala ako.
Ayan, pwede kang mahulog.
Sana kung visible masyado yung Taj Mahal, no?
Kung ganito lang sana yung Taj Mahal. Hindi, yung iba hapon kasi nagpupunta. Kaya maganda yung shot nila.
Ako okay na rin ako.
Tayo kaya lang naman magagawa ng sunrise tsaka ng schedule.
Saka yung mga tao.
Schedule, yung karamihan ng tao.
Pinapatakbo yung mga leopards nila. Ganyan.
Mahina,
ano?
nasa pangalawa pa lang tayo, meron pa tayong dalawa.
Kala ko last na to.
Kaya hinuhuli yung ano eh. Kaya hinuhuli yung Taj Mahal eh. Kasi parang wala nang kwenta yung mga kasi nakuha mo na yung ano.
Wala nang sense, no?
Na siya eh. Tapos downhill na lang.
Guys, ngayon naman nandito na tayo sa Royal Court.
This is where they address the people. This is where the common people can talk to the king. Royal court, very beautifully decorated. Taj Mahal gemstone decoration, which we saw. British governor used to live in this palace, and when he died, they made his grave here. So Englishman grave. There's one more palace there. That is a palace of Akbar. Akbar was the grandfather of Shah Jahan, but Akbar palace using by the Indian army that is occupied, so that is not occupied.
Sino si John? Ano ba? September 9,
Governor
1857.
of the
Province of
Northwest.
India.
Oh, governor.
Northwest ba yan? Northwest provinces of India.
Okay.
Died siya, died. It's not bird. Died.
Ah, died.
Born niya eh, di ba? So may died.
No, wait, kasi
Naku, paano ba yan?
Marami akong pera, huwag kayo mag-alala.
Hey, baby!
Masaya. Masaya ka.
Basta lang.
Masaya ka ngayon, bayad later.
baka may iba pang tourist.
Baka pagpapunta na sa
gate, baka 20 na lang.
So we're going out na. Then after this, meron pa ulit tayong pupuntahan. But I think late lunch muna tayo. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're done and here is our picture. Okay guys, so pupunta na tayo sa bus. And so now guys, we are here at is it UP Arts and Crafts Development Center. So let's go inside. So yeah, these are the carvings.
Best out of Taj Mahal and best out of India. Please sit here. Please everybody. This is part of the family, so I request him he show us a tour and tell us about this beautiful art of Taj Mahal.
One piece. They all are separately done like this. And this one flower, it takes 2 hours a day, complete by one artist. The new generation, they don't have patience to sit here 12 hours for a day to be finished. That is the reason this artwork, it is a dying art of Agra and we are dying every day. That is the reason the government of India helping us, supporting us a lot to keep this artwork alive. Please make yourself comfortable. Inside, no photos and no videos.
So right now, magla-late lunch na tayo. So nandito tayo sa In-Dish Multi-Cuisine Restaurant. And time check, it's now 2:25 p.m. Mas mura. Pizza na lang kaya.
Gusto ko yung in-order mo sa kahapon. Pero yung ano, pagkain, fried rice.
Kasi last day na ngayon, so biryani na lang. Yung mga fried rice na order na.
Kal na yun.
Guys, let's see. Di ba chicken yan? Kailan? Pag-uwi?
Pag-uwi ko, magsasamgip ako eh. Kaya ako matras.
Search muna tayo dito bago tayo sumakay sa bus. And ito na yung last stop natin. So we're going na to the airport.
I like one.
No, you can't.
Volcano chocolate.
Oh, out of stock ba?
Ayan. One dish. One.
Okay, already paid. We paid already.
Thank you so much. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung avocado ba to.
Dali, ako hindi ko nag-email.
Nakaslide. Dito na kami sa Kuala Lumpur Airport Terminal 1. We're just waiting to board. Di pa kami makapasok kasi 11:45 pa daw. But our flight is 12:45 p.m. Ayan, so mga pagod na kami. Pero finally, in a few, uwi na tayo ulit sa Manila. Okay, so now we are here. Tapos na tayo sa immigration. So, inihintay na lang natin iba na kasama and it's now 12:10. So, 12:45. So, mag-fly na tayo from Malaysia going to, of course, Manila, Philippines. So, we're done now with our India vlog. So,
Penumpang lain minta duduk sehingga pengumuman.